So, Raven, what's this fin you wanted to show us?
It's this cool watch that can control waves. So I was thinking we can make the beach waves bigger than they should be.
Ha 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 ha. That will indeed laugh our pants off.
Now I'll aim it at the waves so they can get bigger.
Okay, Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Richard, let's play ball.
Yeah, let's begin. What's going on with the ocean?
Oh no! The waves are getting bigger.
God, I didn't know the waves went crazy.
I'm pretty sure there is an explanation to this, but not sure what.
Looks like you four have gone for a water slide.
Hey, what just happened is not funny. Wait, Raven, what's that in your hand?
It's a watch that makes waves bigger. Ha ha ha.
Wait a second, did you three secretly use that watch and made the waves bigger? Whoops. Busted.
Now that you guys mention that, we, unfortunately did.
Oh my Danny Phantom God Toad, Jahari, and Raven. What is your problems?
How dare you three make the waves at the beach bigger? That was super dangerous of you guys to do. That's it. You're the Amanda Show, Blue's Room, and Harvey Beaks % grounded for 12 days.
That's right. Now you three go home and into your rooms while I call your parents for your dangerous behavior.
No 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 no.
Now we're going to make sand castles until the ocean calm down.